The Walking Dead season 11. I mean, I was done around season 6, season 7, but I don't know what happened. I just came back to it, and at season 11, if you haven't checked that out yet, y'all missing out. But anyway, let's get into it. Welcome back to another video. It's your boy Rick. I wanted to create a quick video on how to create content without showing your face. I got some tips and some ideas, but before I get into it, make sure you like and subscribe to my channel. If you appreciate all the information I'm providing you, it's appreciated. This video is for people that don't want to show their face online at all. I got you. I understand. It's kind of nerve-wracking being all vulnerable to people you don't know. But anyway, I got some tips to help you with all that, especially for those who want to create content. All right, so let's talk about it. One way to do so is called recycled content, where you use other works that's already out there and rework them and make them your own. You want to be transformative with them because you don't want to violate the fair use policy. Now, you can do that in various ways. One way I know of is you can use a website called YouTube Downloader, where you can download YouTube videos of channels that you're interested of doing reactions for. Maybe you want to critique them. Maybe you want to integrate a few of those videos of whatever channels you're interested in into your work. And know that you're not just limited to YouTube. There are websites where you can use to download TikTok videos, Facebook videos, Instagram videos, whatever you need to help you give you some ideas to create some content without using your face. Another way, which is my favorite way, requires the use of pexels.com, Pixabay, motionarray.com, or Storyblocks. These websites contain tons, thousands, hundreds of thousands of videos, stock footage, pictures that you can download at times for free and upload them to your YouTube channel or upload them to your Instagram page or whatever platform you use to create your content. It could be ranging from photos about buildings to videos about people exercising. What's cool about them is that when you can download these works, you don't have to worry about copyright issues or violating any policies. You can choose what ratio you need to download them in to be viewable for the platform you have your content created on. Speaking on resizing, another way that I enjoy as well is using Canva Pro. I highly recommend you have Canva Pro when you're in the business of creating content. It literally has everything from creating thumbnails to creating videos. For example, maybe you want to create content revolving around nutrition, eating healthy. What you can do is download pics or videos from Pexels, but for this example, let's stick with pictures of healthy food. Upload them to Canva, create a design, and start creating your content through there. I'm an affiliate with Canva, so if you click the link in the description below, you can start your free 30-day trial with Canva Pro. Trust me, it's worth it. Another tip I recommend is hiring freelancers, from Upwork.com or Fiverr.com. You work alongside with them, discuss the plan of action, and they can just show their faces on the content that you want to provide. And that's some of the useful tips I have when it comes to trying to create content without uploading your face. If you want to brainstorm some more ideas, you can book a call with me. Just click the link in the description below and you can head to my website. And that's it for this video. I hope some of my information helps spark some ideas. Leave a comment below if you have any more ideas or solutions for people who do not want to show their faces online. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you on the next video. All right.